Good morning, guys. I just got out of the shower, made my bed, finished folding laundry. I'm now just chilling out on the bed, not doing too much today. Watching a little bit of YouTube and then waiting for my cell phone to get here. So for those of you who don't know, didn't watch my last video, my cell phone broke and I had to I had to get a new one a couple days ago. So now it's on the mail. It's out for delivery today, so I should get it sometime today, which will be fun. I am not really enjoying this quarantine life, not doing too much. I don't know this area very well, so I'm just kind of chilling out here until my phone gets here. And then I can explore a little bit of the city. Not really go out and do much, just kind of like go for a drive, clear my head a little. Trying to enjoy this quarantine life as much as possible. In about maybe 2 or 3 hours, I'm going to make lunch. I think we're going with like a mushroom pasta and meatballs, which will be good. I'll take you guys along with that. But as for right now, I am doing nothing. But let me give you guys a quick tour of like what my room looks like, because I don't think I've ever actually showed you guys since I moved. So my room's nothing too big, you know, it's work stuff, TV for Breeze, scale, bed. So that's what I'm working with in my room. The next door neighbors, like right across the way, have chickens, and I can hear them every morning. And it's not just like a one-time thing, it's like, no. Every morning I can hear them cuckooing and cowing, so whatever sound a chicken or rooster makes. But now I'm just gonna chill out, relax, watch some YouTube, so I'll talk to you guys soon. Alrighty guys, as you know, flying is pretty much cut down to nothing, and there is only 3 trips on the board. Actually 2 trips on the board, one for the 13th, one for the 25th. That we can pick up, which means I'm probably not flying most of the month. Boo. But it just kind of happens, so I'm just going to be chilling out here, watching RuPaul's Drag Race. I'm about to make lunch in about, as soon as the show's over, so like 20-30 minutes, and we're going to make pasta. But yeah, it's like scary thinking about like there's only 2 trips. I mean, it's for the better good, so I can't complain. But it's still a little scary thinking of holy crap, there's literally no flying this month and I'm not doing anything, so can't complain too much. But guys, I've been super bored. What are some of the shows that you recommend watching on like Netflix, Hulu? Because I've watched The Tiger King, that was good. I finished Schitt's Creek, so I don't have that to watch. I'm rewatching RuPaul, but other than that, I have nothing else to watch. So I kind of definitely need some recommendations on what to watch for shows or movies, because I am so bored. I will probably get a workout done after lunch, like around like 2 or 3. But yeah, other than that, I didn't do too much. I'm drinking a Diet Dr. Pepper, and I made cold brew today, so that's in the fridge. It should be ready tomorrow. Alrighty guys, I've just made it downstairs, about to make me some food. I got some like pre-made meatballs that I just have to cook up, and then I have some truffle and mushroom ravioli from Trader Joe's that I'm about to make. So it'll be great. Food is done. It's all meal prepped right there, so we are good. Still waiting on my cell phone, but that's okay, not too bad. Now that the food's done, I'm gonna go eat some of this and then chill out. So I'll talk to you guys once I grab my phone. Alrighty guys, the food was amazing. I'm about to go head to my room now, chill out, and watching TV. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Okay guys, quick update. The UPS lady, or man, I don't know who it is, van is next door. But it's just parked there. No one's in it, no one's around it. I'm like, my phone is in there. I kind of need it real bad. But instead, I've been cleaning out my car, so that's kind of nice. I'm just going to finish doing that. Hopefully by then, the UPS lady or man comes over, hands me my phone. So I'll talk to you guys once I grab my package. Alrighty guys, guess what came? My phone! So, that came. I am about to unbox this and then figure out what I'm gonna do. So, I think I will help. I don't know what I'm gonna say. I think I'm gonna show you guys the unboxing and then set up my phone. Alrighty guys, let's get this unboxing undone. Ooh. So that's nice. I got the iPhone 11 Max in gray. So let's take this off. Ooh. And that's the phone. Ooh, I caught it. This is the phone. It's a basic phone, so about the same size as my other one. I didn't get the big one, but that's okay. Took off this front. And it doesn't look like there's one on the back. And then it comes with a different block. So I don't know how I feel about that. It has a different connector instead, but that's cool. Also comes with the generic AirPods, which can't go wrong, and the cord. So that's super exciting. I am so glad I got my phone. Turning it on now. We're starting it up. That's it, guys. I got my phone. I'm happy as a happy can be. This is what I've been waiting for since mine gave out on me 2 or so days ago. So, which is super exciting. But yeah, ooh, it's a little crooked. Sorry guys. Anyway, I'm gonna get this set up and I'll talk to you guys later. Good morning everybody. This is now the next morning. I'm about to go out, try to find me some face masks because I need some and I don't have any. So we'll see how that goes. The odds of me finding some are slim to none, but it doesn't hurt to try. So that's what we're going to do now, is try to hunt for some face masks and go from there. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Hey guys, first stop Walmart. Just gonna see if I can get me something quick and simple because my mask should be coming between the 11th and 21st, but I need something until then. So let's try Walmart. If I can't get one here, we'll try Target. If I can't get one there, then we'll go to like a Home Depot. Try to get me like a paint mask at that point. So we'll see. We'll do whatever we can. So I'll talk to you guys once I get back from Walmart. Alrighty guys, finding masks was a bust. I'm just gonna have to wait until I get mine in the mail. In the meantime, I guess I'm just gonna have to use a scarf or a bandana or something to supplement, which works. I've already talked to the people at Walmart and stuff. They're fine with it, so that's what I'm gonna do. About to head back inside now and just kind of chill out and do nothing for the rest of the day. So I'll talk to you guys if anything else happens today. Hello guys, it is now later on in the day. Still not doing too much, watching RuPaul's Drag Race. I have to make my bed. Like, that's what happens every night when I sleep. It just becomes a jumbled mess of everything, and so I'm going to make my bed. Other than that, I'm not doing too much. I just got Apple TV, so since I got a new iPhone, they gave me a year of Apple TV for free. So I'm gonna see what's on that. If you guys have any recommendations on what to watch on Apple TV, Hulu, Netflix, let me know down below. Because I definitely need some recommendations. Because I don't know what I'm gonna watch. Definitely just don't have anything going on. But yeah, other than that, just rewatching RuPaul. I'm watching my favorite season so far, which is like season 4, because Willem is literally one of my favorite queens ever. Like, hello. I think she's gotten funnier on YouTube than she has when she was actually performing. And the whole like scandal of her getting eliminated was really interesting. So yeah, other than that, I'm not doing too much today, guys. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit once the bed is made and I figure out what I'm going to do.
Bullied my entire childhood, and that's just not the platform I'm going to be working with. I want to talk to the people. But everybody says that till they're down on the polls.
And we are now clean, so that's a good plus.
That's just something I can handle.
I have to go pick me up a like dresser or nightstand because right now my electronics and stuff are just kind of chilling on the floor and I have nowhere to put them. But I'll worry about all of that once I get paid and look on Amazon, because I ain't leaving the house unless I absolutely have to. I got an update on my mask. It says it should be shipped on the 17th. Not the best, but we'll see. Best we can do until the time being. But yeah. Other than that, not doing too much today, guys. This is where probably going to end this video for today. I'll pick it back up tomorrow unless something exciting happens, because I don't think anything else is going to happen besides me just laying on this bed all day watching Netflix. or Hulu or whatever I decide I fall upon. But alright guys, talk to you soon. Alrighty guys, quick update. As I was cleaning out my lunchbox, seeing what I need and what I don't need, I found out I am down to 6 stevia packets left. I don't want to go back outside, so I will most likely have to Amazon 6 stevia packets. I am that bored that I am not cleaning out my bags. But yeah, so I made me a cold brew. I have that in that also. That I'm running low on cold brew, but I'm just going to have my mom send me some more because she gets it cheaper there. But other than that, I'm not doing too much. Looked at iPhone cases because I need some new ones. I am having some music videos go on in the background as I am cleaning. Cleaning, I mean like organizing, but still, same thing. Outside is looking kind of gloomy out, so like, little focus. Just real gloomy. So it's not really a good day because it's just gloomy and gross and overall not the best, but been, you know, trying to survive. What have you guys been doing to pass the time? Because I need help. Alrighty guys, I don't know if you guys can hear this or not, but it is finally raining. That is super excited. I went to the bathroom and I had my window open outside and I didn't realize it was raining, but it's downpouring out and I'm kind of excited about it. So I came outside just to, you know, sit and watch the rain for a little bit because there's nothing else to do, so why not enjoy nature? But look guys, it's raining. So, which is really cool. I enjoy the rain. It doesn't even feel that bad outside, so definitely enjoying this. Can't really complain. But yeah, just gonna sit out here, enjoy the rain for a little bit, and then head back inside. So this is where I'm gonna wrap up the video today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Hit that push bell notification so you guys can stay up to date with all my future ventures. Thanks for following me around for 2 days, guys. I appreciate it. I'm going to keep you guys updated with everything that's going on in my life, what's going on in the life around me, if I'm flying, if I'm not flying, all the jazz. If there's something you guys would like to see, just let me know down below, because I'm here for you guys. I'm here to keep you guys entertained, keep you guys happy during these sad and depressing times. Because, you know, it's not always about what I want to see. It's also about what you guys want to see, because I've gained I wouldn't say a lot, but I've gained like 60 or 70 subscribers this month. So for those of you who don't know, I am Nick, and I'm a flight attendant. So thanks guys so much, I appreciate it.